COVID appropriate behavior is something which is very, very important not only now but also after one has been vaccinated. The pandemic is still there. There are still people who have the infection who may be asymptomatic or who may have mild symptoms and maybe your close friends or family members. The vaccine may protect us from severe disease, but it may still give us asymptomatic or mild illness, and we may still be infectious and spread the infection to our near and dear ones. To prevent that from happening, COVID appropriate behavior becomes very, very important even subsequently after vaccination.
During the current COVID pandemic, a couple of simple measures have been postulated and now are being advocated as preventive measures. And all of you are aware, over the last 7-8 months constantly we have been talking about a few simple measures that will help us to prevent against corona infection transmission. And these, most of them can be done at our own personal level as well. For example, the hand hygiene, the respiratory hygiene, and physical distancing and wearing face mask. Probably these four form the 4 pillars of our fight against coronavirus.
2020 has brought unprecedented challenges with COVID-19 claiming many lives. The indomitable human spirit and collective community effort has gone a long way in curbing transmission of COVID-19. However, COVID-19 is not over yet, and we need to make behavioral adaptations to live with this new normal. Today, Dr. Harshit and I will be discussing these COVID-appropriate behaviors.
Namaste, I am Dr. Harshit. Firstly, speaking of hand hygiene, it is advisable to wash your hands frequently with soap and water. If soap and water is not available, you can use alcohol-based hand rubs, especially after you frequently touch surfaces such as doorknobs or staircase railings, lift buttons, taps, etc. And also these kind of surfaces are supposed to be frequently disinfected with chemicals.
Try and avoid visiting any crowded places or gatherings as much as possible. Avoid travel whenever unnecessary. In public places such as ATMs, shops, markets, maintain a minimum of 6 feet distance between each other. Do not indulge in any physical contact such as shaking hands or hugging. Always go with Namaste.
Speaking of respiratory etiquettes, you are supposed to sneeze or cough into a handkerchief or tissue paper. So it is always advisable for you to carry handkerchief or tissue paper with you. In case if you do not have a handkerchief or tissue paper, while you're sneezing or coughing, you're supposed to do that into a folded arm like this. And don't forget to wash your hands after sneezing or coughing. Do not spit in public places, as it is dangerous for others as well as yourself from COVID point of view.
Face cover or mask. Always wear a reusable, preferably cloth mask whenever outdoors. You should wear a mask when you're going to a crowded place, or you should definitely wear the mask if you're having any symptoms suggestive of COVID-19.
What are you supposed to do if you are symptomatic for COVID-19? Particularly symptoms such as fever, cough, or shortness of breath. If you experience any of these symptoms, isolate yourself immediately from community as well as your household members. Contact your nearest healthcare provider for your testing as well as treatment. For any COVID-19 related queries, you can contact National Helpline number 1075 or state helpline numbers.
The vaccination process has also started in our country, and although this is a very good step forward, we should remember that this is likely to take several months to vaccinate a substantial proportion of our population. Till that time, we have to continue following the same precaution that we have been doing for the last 1 year. That is extremely important for us to remember. We should also remember that no vaccine is 100% perfect. We should also remember that even after we take the vaccine schedule, it will still take a couple of days or maybe even 2 to 3 weeks for the adequate antibodies to be made. So we should not assume that just because we have taken a shot of the vaccine, absolutely everything is fine and we can immediately revert back to the pre-COVID times. No, probably a combination of the vaccine and a combination of all the COVID appropriate behavior is the best way forward at this current time, and till the time we get the adequate protection in the population, we should maintain a combination of all of these for our own protection.